Hello guys. Today we are going to continue the challenges on OverTheWire.org. My name is Hussein and I am a cybersecurity researcher or analyst, what you call. And let's dive in. Okay, exit. We were at level 11, I think. And okay, I've done the three challenges, today's challenges before recording this. Okay, we are in. There's a data, and what is he asking for level 11? Blah blah. We're all. So this is a cipher called ROT13. So we are gonna decode it, and there is a wonderful tool out there. It's called CyberChef. You can use. You can just slide ROT13, give the input, and get the output. Rotate numbers, rotate lowercase, uppercase. Let's okay. Let's get that. Copy. The password is blah 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 blah. What does it say? The numbers are. It's not saying anything about numbers. So go. Wait. Copy. And yes. Let's move on. Let's exit and move on to level 12. Okay, there's a data, and this level is very hard. I looked at online to do this because it's very complicated. Data is a hexdump, and we will use xxd command to retrieve the original file, and the original file that we will look at is actually a compressed file. I mean, you have to reverse the compression like 3 times. Let's look at the data first. Okay, so this is a hex dump, and let's use xxd. But first, let's create a directory for to work. Make dir tmp, and this is a zone. Okay, and copy data.txt to our zone. Let's cd into that. Okay, here's our data. So we said we were going to use xxd, but which parameter will we use? This is the manual. It is used to make hexdump or do the reverse. Let's look. Include length offset. I believe there is a -r reverse. Let's quit xsd our data.txt, and we are gonna write this on, let's call it reverse. Okay, let's look at the file that we created. This is a gzip compressed data. Okay, but can we extract? Okay, unknown suffix. So let's look at one more time. What can we do? Well, let's change the extension here. Mm, 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 mm. What can we use? I'm just looking. So let's make the reverse that gzip. So we can do reverse to reverse that gzip. Okay, and let's use the gunzip now. Okay, it is working. So let's look at the output. What is it? Sorry, my bad. It is bzip to compress data. Let's do again, and let's go over and over again. So gzip reverse is not in gzip format. Really? It is bzip compressed data. So how can I? It is bzip that was it? How was it? It was banzip. Can't guess original name, so we have to use the reverse gzip out. Now it is gzip compressed data, and let's use gunzip again to reverse it. But it worked. So let's look at our data. What is it now? It is tar archive, so it is an archive model for Linux. I don't know so much about it, but I just looked it up how to open the archive, and you're gonna use the parameters xvf. So there's a data5.bin. Let's look at. It is still at our archive. Data5.bin. It is just going on and on again. Now it is bzip compressed data. And let's use banzip2 for that. Data 6. The bin. We have to use the data 6 bin out, but data 6 bin out to data 6 bin dot gzip. And let's use gunzip to data dot bin dot gzip. Where are we now? This is still a tar archive. Okay, then we can use. Okay, there is data 8.bin. So what is it now? It is gzip compressed data. Okay. Let's use data 8.bin to and gunzip data 8.bin.gzip. Okay. Let's look. There is an ASCII text data 8.bin. Let's get that out. And here is our password for the next level. It is very complicated. And let's move on to the next level. Let's exit. Move on to Bandit 13. Okay, for this level, it is asking us that. So this is the password for the Bandit 14, and it is only be read Bandit 14. For this level, you don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log in to next level. Okay. So here is our SSH private key. Nice. And we can just use SSH tag I, and let's use the SSH key dot private, and the user is Bandit 14. At localhost, I am trusting you. So we are in. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.